In this lesson, I will explain to you some new features of Power BI. We did these kinds of visualization in the last lesson. Now we are going to apply some formatting. So first of all, I will show you that these are the three God graph visualizations, but you can see the distance between these two, total budget and total actuals. They are so close to each other compared to the variance graph. If we will show this to our audience, it does not seems okay. If you want to distribute all these three equally, or suppose if you have four or five or six, depends on your situations, all the graph or visualization should be distributed equally. So for this, what you have to do first, there should be one more tab at the top. With the help of that tab, we can apply that features or that formatting on these visualization. But do not worry about it. Where is the fourth or fifth tab here? First of all, you have to select. So select any visualization. When you will select the visualization, you will see visual tools will come up here, and under visual tools we have formatting and data drill. So today we are going to discuss about the formatting, few features of the formatting tab. So first of all, you have to select this, and then you have to similarly select the second and the third feature. So what you have to do, you have to press control key, and then you have to press again control, press and hold the control key. All these three are selected. Now you can see the handles or tiles, it means they are selected. Then you have to click on the distribute button here, or distribute function, right? So then you will have distribute horizontally or vertically. Here, because this is horizontally, I'm going to click horizontally. Then you will see now these are distributed equally. Similarly, if you have these visualization vertically and these are not distributed, then you have to click here again and distribute vertically. This is now your job. You have to set some visualization here and click on the distribute vertically. It is very easy. It will be distribute equally on vertical scale. Now we will talk about this alignment. Open this alignment. If suppose you want to set these visualization align bottom, align middle, top, here I suppose if I will say align bottom, so here this is bottom. Similarly, if you want to apply align right, it will not good, but I will show you. See, it will be on the top of each other, which we do not want here, but only for practice or only to show you, I have shown this feature to you. Now you have to open this align, and one by one just click and see what is happened and what is suitable according to your situation. Now we will talk about send backward. What is the function of this? Okay, I will make a little small. If suppose you want to write down something here, which I had explained you before, but I will explain the next lesson as well. Whatever is written, suppose title or some numbers or whatever, here I have just taken this graph. It will save our time, and this is on the top of our graph. If you want to send this on the back of the graph, so what you have to do, open this arrow and send to back. When you will click send to back and click here, you will see our this visualization total budget was behind this graph. If you want to bring it back, so again, first of all, you have to select this and then go to the send backward, send to back. Click here, it will be on the top of your graph again, right? So this feature you have learned. Now what is added interactions, I will explain to you in the next lesson. This is very important, but here now I'm going to show few formatting functions. So see, now you have to again select the graph. I have selected this graph, and this is the formatting tab. If you will click on this formatting tab, you will see some functions are here, but these functions, these are not exactly same for all kind of visualization. It depends on the visualizations. Some visualizations have more functions, some less. So it depends on your graph. So first of all, we will talk about the legend. Open this legend. This is our legend. Total, actual, total budget, and these are the colors. So when I will open this legend, you will see the position of the legend is at the top. When you will open this arrow, you will see here is the bottom, right, left, where you want to set. according to your situation. If I will say bottom, so our legend is in the bottom. If suppose you do not write, if I will say we have to set on the right side, so this is the right side. Again, it depends on your situation. Right, here is the legend name. If you want to give some name to your legend according to your situation, just only to show you, I am writing Saima here. So this is Saima. You will see Saima will come up here. And if you will change the color, it is now black. Open this. Which color you want? I said I need it. Make it blue or whatever color you want. So see, our color is also changed. From here you can change the font. So Arial black, if I say Arial black, this is the Arial black. What should be the text size? You can increase or decrease the text size here. If suppose whatever formatting you did, you do not want, you want to go back to the original position, so do not worry about it. This is the revert to default. Click here, it will go back to the original position. Right, so this is all about legend. Then you have to open the access, open this access. Here is the color, right? Which color you want, I will show you here. The same thing, if I will say I need a blue, so make it blue. Right now means F, these are the project names, these are in blue color. If you want to increase the text size here, font size here, minimum category width, you can play with it more or less. These all features are same thing you can apply on the y-axis. This is the y-axis, so its position is left. Right, open this and click right. So what will happen if you will click on right, these numbers will come on the right. It depends on your situation, how you want to show to your audience. And then is the start and end. What is the function? I will just explain to you here. You have to practice it. It means for our this scale starts from point 0, then 0.1 million, point 2. If you want to start from 0.2 million to 0.4, so you can write down 0.2 here, 0.4, then it will set accordingly. It is very easy. You have to practice it. If you couldn't find it, then you can let me know, I will do for you. Same thing, color, text, and all things are here. Okay, now we will close this, and then is the data color. Data color means these are, see, total actuals are the this blue color, and this is the again the dark blue or navy blue, orange. If you want, you can change it from here, the colors. If I want my first bar should be of this color, so same thing. Total budget, if you want to change the total budget or variance, you can do here. If you do not like it, revert to default, it will take you back to the original position. This is all about the data colors, but few features are left. You have to practice it. It is very easy. The most important feature is the data labels. This time data labels is off. I will open it, then see, I will make it on, then this features will be on. What is the meaning of this? When I will on it, I will show you. See, these numbers are on the top. This is the total actuals, this is the budget, this is the variance. Now you can see the numbers are here. This is the data labels, and the orientation is vertical. If you want to make it horizontal, so open this and click on here. Now it is horizontal. Right, so these are the features, you can play with it. And this tooltip visual we have already discussed. This is the background. If you want to change the color of the background, see, here is white. Suppose open this, if it is, you want to make it yellow, make it yellow. If you do not want it, so revert to default, it will take you to the original position. And these data labels, if you do not want it, make it, click here, it is off now, it's gone. Right, so these are the few features which we have learned how to make our visualization more appealing to audience. Please practice it. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.